In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Home button in Google Chrome on PC. 2024. First, open Google Chrome on your PC. You can do this from your desktop, your taskbar, or the Start menu, depending on how you normally launch the browser. Make sure Chrome is fully open before moving to the next part so you can see the main browser window clearly. Next, look for the Customize Chrome option. This is where Chrome gives you access to appearance and interface-related settings. Click on Customize Chrome to open the available customization options. Take your time here and make sure you are in the correct section, since Chrome includes several settings areas and it is easy to click into the wrong one if you move too quickly. Once you are inside the customization area, find the Toolbar section. This section controls which shortcut icons appear in the Chrome toolbar. In the toolbar options, select Home. After you enable it, the Home button should appear right away. If you do not see it immediately, give Chrome a second to update the interface, or look carefully along the toolbar area. In some cases, window size or toolbar space can affect how icons appear. The main idea is simple. Open Chrome, go to Customize Chrome, then in the toolbar settings, choose Home. That is all you need to do to add the Home button on a PC in the current version of Google Chrome. That covers everything you need to know.